So ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, in this video or in this class we are going to continue the problems of successive differentiations. Last class alli basic agi successive differentiation basic problems ಯಾವ ತರ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. And in this session also I will come across the extension of those problems to be solved here. Shall I do one by one? Yes, look at this first one. Y is equal to x cube into log x. X cube into log x. Shall I differentiate? Differentiate this function with respect to x. Your first derivative dy by dx will become, this is nothing but product of two functions. First function x cube into differentiation of log x is to 1 by x plus second function log x into differentiation of x cube is to 3x square. So we shall simplify and write the second. Adar differentiate. One of the x cancel aagata, so that your dy by dx will become so second. One x cancel aagre x square will irutte plus write the algebraic function first 3x square into log x. This is the remaining function. First derivative I. Artha agtidalva? I am making use the product of two functions here. Shall I differentiate once again with respect to x? Differentiating again with respect to x. Again with respect to x. What will happen to this right now? dy by dx will become d square y by dx square. Module function x square easy to differentiate. This will become 2x only. Plus idon function. I want to take the product of two functions here. First function 3x square as it is into differentiation of log x is to power 1 by x plus what is the second function log x ande irutte. What is your differentiation of 3x square? 3 into x square get 2x, so 3 into 2x andre 6x agutte. Got it? Artha agtidalva? Now one of the x cancel. Write the remaining answer. This will become 2x, 3x square will one x cancel agutte 3x plus 6x into log x. Shall I simplify further? So definitely your successive differentiation d square y by dx square will become 3x plus 2x to the power 5x plus 6x into log x. This will be your final answer. Got it? So, ನನಗೆ ಈ ತರ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೂ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಎರಡು ಸರಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗಲೂ ಸಹ u into v ಮೆಥಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Shall I look at one more? ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನೋಡೋಣ. y is equal to e to the power of x into sin 5x. e to the power of x into sin 5x. Another very important problem for you people. ಪರೀಕ್ಷಾ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. And remember, if it's a general problem, ಇದನ್ನೇ ನಾವು ಜನರಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ತರ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲೂ ಸಹ ಈ ತರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Of course, CET problems discuss ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ I will come across those things later on. Okay? So let me differentiate this one. Differentiate ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ so differentiating the function with respect to x, what will happen now? dy by dx is equal to, right? This will be your first function, it is to second function ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. First function e to the power of x as it is into differentiation of sin ax is a cos ax, 5 cos 5x, 5 cos 5x plus keep the second function as it is sin 5x ande irutade into differentiation of e to the power of x ಅಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ, e to the power of x ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Simple, right? So first function e to the power of x into differential of sin 5x and 5 cos 5x plus e to the power of x into sin 5x is the term remaining there. Now let me differentiate the function again with respect to x. Again with respect to x. D square y by dx square is equal to, okay, keep the 5 as it is, 5 again kali ಮಿಕ್ಕಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ನ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. So first function cos 5x will be our second function. First function as it is into differentiation of cos 5x is about minus 5 sin 5x minus 5 sin 5x plus second function cos 5x ಹಾಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು, ಅದನ್ನೇನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. e to the power of x differentiation ಎಷ್ಟು e to the power of x only. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ? ಪ್ಲಸ್ I want to differentiate these two again. First function sin 5x. Differentiation of second is e to the power of x only. Plus second function e to the power of x. Differentiation of sin 5x is about 5 into cos 5x is the remaining term. Okay. Look at this. 5 common ತೆಗೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. e to the power of x. Differentiation of cos 5x is minus 5 sin 5x plus cos 5x e to the power of x is e to the power of x itself only. Sin 5x e to the power of x plus second function e to the power of x sin 5x ke 5 cos 5x. So your y dash or y double dash is equal to, simplify madega, multiply and simplify, plus into minus, minus 5 into 5 is 25 e to the power of x into sin 5x into sin 5x. Second function plus 5, write the exponential function first, cos 5x, correct? And write the remaining as it is, plus e to the power of x sin 5x, e to the power of x sin 5x, plus 5 times of e to the power of x into cos 5x, e to the power of x into cos 5x. Can you simplify? Simplification tumba sulabha ivaga. Therefore your y double dash of x was second differentiation is equal to, can you simplify? Minus 25 e to the power of x sin 5x plus 1 e to the power of x sin 5x. Subtract ಮಾಡಿ, should be minus 24 e to the power of x into sin 5x is the remaining term. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? e to the power of x cos 5x, e to the power of x cos 5x ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ. 5 plus 5 ಅಂದ್ರೆ this becomes 10 e to the power of x into cos 5x. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಲ್ವಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Just write the common factor and then final answer. So your d square y by dx square will becomes e to the power of x ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. Then let the positive value first. 10 cos 5x ಉಳಿದಿರ್ತದೆ minus 24 sin 5x ಉಳಿದಿರುತ್ತೆ. That's all. As simple as ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ವಾ? Very simple problem to be solved. ತುಂಬಾ ಸುಲಭವಾಗಿರೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Shall take one more or let me repeat it once again. First function differentiation of cos 5x ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ second function plus e to the power of x ಗೆ plus ಇವೆರಡು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇವೆರಡು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್, ಇವೆರಡು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ. That's all. Very simple problem. So shall I take one more similar later the problem. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ let me take this tan inverse of x y is equal to tan inverse of x. How to differentiate successively ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Now what will happen to this function? Differentiating the function with respect to x. Your dy by dx will become differentiation of tan inverse of x is upon that 1 divided by 1 plus x square. 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Okay? This matter differentiate ಮಾಡಿ. Differentiating again with respect to x. Again with respect to x. So, your d square y by dx square will becomes. Observe carefully observe. This is a problem which is in the form of 1 by x. 1 by x. Naturally, what is your differentiation of 1 by x? Is minus 1 by x square. Differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. So, differentiation of 1 by 1 plus x square is minus 1 divided by 1 plus x square whole square into differentiation of 1 plus x square. It is a composite function. Chain rule use ಮಾಡಿ. So your d square y by dx square will produce the result. Differentiation of 1 is 0, x square get 2x, 2x into minus 1 andre minus 2x divided by 1 plus x square whole square. That should be your answer. That's my answer. Okay. Now, differentiation of tan inverse of x is 1 by 1 plus x square. Differentiation of 1 by 1 plus x square is minus 1 by 1 plus x square whole square into differentiation of 1 plus x square is 2x. Will be the final answer to be solved. Got it? So, now I would like you to continue few more problems here. Right? So, we take one more problem here. This is the problem number 3 now. Y is equal to problem number 4. Y is equal to e to the power of 6x into cos 3x. Another important problem. Very important problem here. Right? One important problem. Shall solve the differentiations now, right? Now, differentiating this function with respect to x. What will happen to the first derivative now? dy by dx is equal to now the product of two functions. First function e to the power of 6x into differentiation of cos 3x is minus 3 sin 3x minus 3 sin 3x plus second function cos 3x as it is, differentiation of e to the power of 6x is 6 e to the power of 6x. So I am making use the differentiation of e to the power of ax, a into e to the power of ax. One step simplify mana, I will differentiate mana, which is also is equal to minus 3 e to the power of 6x into sin 3x. Got it? Minus 3 first e to the power of 6x into sin 3x plus numerical value first 6 e to the power of 6x into cos 3x. Just I am writing those two things again. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು first is second, ಇದು first is second. Differentiating again with respect to x. Differentiating again with respect to x. This successive differentiation of the function d square y by dx square will becomes minus 3 constant to keep that as it is. Okay? Done. Differentiation of these two. First function. Differentiation of sin 3x is 3 cos 3x plus sin 3x second function, keep that as it is. Differentiation of e to the power of 6x is 6 e to the power of 6x differentiation. I want to differentiate this again now. Plus 6 times of, right? First function e to the power of 6x, differentiation of cos 3x is minus 3 sin 3x, plus second function cos 3x, keep that as it is, differentiation of e to the power of 6x, 6 e to the power of 6x. So that's how this differentiation will be. Now the remaining stage is simplification. Mikkido stage is simplification. I will simplify this now, right? For your convenience, I will separate simplify marta ideni. Your d square y by dx square will becomes, multiply madla, check martira, minus 3 into 3 minus 9 e to the power of 6x into cos 3x. Got it? ಇದಕ್ಕೆ minus into plus minus numerical value first 3 into 6 18 e to the power of 6x sin 3x. ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ ಗಮನ ಇಟ್ಟು ನೋಡಿ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾನು sin x ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ sin x ಕಡೆಗೆ cos x ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ cos x ಕಡೆಗೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಸುಲಭ ಆಗಲಿ. Plus into plus, plus, okay, 6 into 6, 36, e to the power of 6x into cos 3x. That will be the value remaining there now. Cos functions na first multiply ಮಾಡಿ, sin function next multiply ಮಾಡಿ, plus into minus, minus 3 into 6, 18, e to the power of 6x sin 3x, e to the power of 6x sin 3x. Check it out once again. Let's check ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ನಮಗೆ. Plus into minus, minus 6 3s are 18, e to the power of 6x sin 3x is the remainder now. Shall I find the final one? Last simplification ಮಾಡಲಾ ಈಗ? d square y by dx square is equal to, what will happen to this now? ಇಲ್ಲೂ e to the power of 6x ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ e to the power of 6x ಇದೆ, e to the power of 6x ಇದೆ, e to the power of 6x ಇದೆ. Let me take e to the power of 6x as a common factor. Ready remind? 36 minus 9. 36 minus 9. It will be 27. 27. e to the power of 6x common ತೆಗೆದಿನಿ, cos 3x ಹೊಡೆದಿನಿ. e to the power of 6x ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ, minus 18 ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus 36 sin 3x is the remaining term now, right? Got it? This is the final answer. Okay? ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ? ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Done. So shall I take one more? ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳ ಈಗ. Y is equal to log of log x. Log of log x will be the next problem. Y is equal to log of log x. If you differentiate this function with respect to x, what will happen now? Your dy by dx will becomes, can you say what is differentiation of log of a function? 1 by log x. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x. So now the value of dy by dx is equal to 1 divided by x into log x. X into log x. 1 by x log x will be there. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ? ನಾವು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಈಸಿ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ನನಗೆ u by v ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡು ಇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ದು let me consider this is the form of 1 by u, 1 by u, where u is x log x, where u is x log x. So differentiation ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Therefore differentiating again with respect to x, what will happen now? d square y by dx square will becomes ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. This is in the form of 1 by u where u value is to x log x. X log x ಆಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. What is the differentiation of 1 by u? Minus 1 by u square. Minus 1 by u square. Because differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. Differentiation of 1 by u is minus 1 divided by u square becomes x into log x whole square into differentiation of x into log x. This is the term what we remaining there, of course. Differentiation of 1 by u is to minus 1 by u square into differentiation of u, which is nothing but x log x. Differentiate and then simplify. Should be is equal to minus 1 divided by x into log x whole square. Got it? Now, this is nothing but product of two functions. First function, differential of log x is 1 by x, plus second function into differential of x is 1 only. X cancel. Now write the remaining term, that will be final answer. So therefore, your d square y by dx square will becomes minus of 1 into 1 plus log x is 1 plus log x divided by x into log x whole square. X into log x whole square will be your final answer, right? So now I am differentiation of log of a function of 1 by log x into log x ke 1 by x log x in the form of 1 by u. Differentiation is minus 1 by u square into differentiation of u. X log x ke matte uv method x into log x 1 by x plus log x into x ke 1. X cancel. The remaining answer. That's all. Okay. Shall we look at one more? Right. This one. Right, we shall look at the last problem of this session. This session में कोई problem check करना. Y is equal to sin of log x. Sin of log x. Everyone to differentiate twice to get the answer. Errors and differentiate मारने का answer क्या? We shall differentiate both the things now. Differentiating the function with respect to x. What is your dy by dx is equal to differentiation of sin of log x. It's a composite function, composition of trigonometric and logarithmic function. Differentiation of sin will become cos of log x. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Remember, now this is a problem which is in u by v form. U by v form only. अर्थात differentiation of sin of log x is cos of log x के 1 by x. Again, differentiating again with respect to x. Again with respect to x. So that your d square y by dx square will becomes d square y by dx square will becomes vx into differentiation of cos of log x, okay, v into differentiation of u minus u cos of log x into differentiation of x is upon the 1 irutte divided by x square of the denominator. Okay, x into, now it is once again a composite function, cos of log x minus sin of log x into differentiation of log x is 1 by x. That's all. Cos of log x is minus sin of log x into differentiation of log x is 1 by x minus cos of log x divided by x square. One of the x cancel. Now write the remaining will be your answer. That's all. So definitely your d square y by dx square will produce the result ಮೈನಸ್ ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಇದೆ, ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿರಿ. ಸೈನ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ plus cos of log x divided by x square. It is final answer, right? So, this session I will give you a few more problems as an assignment. Okay, assignment to ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. Okay, I will solve with those things. ಅನೇಕ problems ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. So, assignment 2 of this successive differentiation. ಮೊದಲನೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಂಟು log x ಮಾಡಿ, x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಂಟು log x ಮಾಡಿ. ಎರಡನೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ e ಟು ದಿ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ 2x ಇಂಟು sin 4x ಮಾಡಿ, e ಟು ದಿ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ 2x ಇಂಟು sin 4x. ಒಂದು ಕಾಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀನಿ, e ಟು ದಿ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ 6x ಇಂಟು cos x ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಾಡಿ. ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ 4 log of sin x, log of sin x. And the problem number 5, last one, cos of log x, cos of log x. Solve these 5 problems as an assignment in this session, and we should look at another important type of 5 marks problems. For next session ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ 5 marks problems ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಟು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು 7 to 8 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್, ಒಂದು 8 ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, 9 ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಟ್ ದೋಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ನಾವು ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಟು ನಾವು. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.